Haya, sasa tuachane na gofu, tusalie katika saa pale maandalizi ya olimpiki maalum. Tunaangazia huyu mwanamichezo ambaye ni Dickson Rawino. Dickson Rawino ni baadhi ya wanamichezo ambao wana upekee speciali katika kikosi hiko, manake atakuwa anawakilisha Kenya katika vitengo 10, kwa kimombo tunaita kwamba Decathlon bwana. Baadhi ya fani hizo ni kama mbio za mita 100 kwa wanaume, mchezo wa urushaji mkuki, mbio za mita 1500 kwa wanaume, na amesema kwamba baada ya kushiriki katika pale michezo ya wale wana michezo maalum 2022 kule Brazil na kumaliza nafasi ya 6, hili limemwandaa pakubwa na kushughulikia hasa changamoto ambazo zilimfanya kumaliza nje ya mabano ya medali kule Brazil, na mara hii anasema kwamba itakuwa moto wa kuotea mbali wakati anasaka kumaliza katika mabano ya medali kule hasa Tokyo, Japan, kuanzia Novemba 15. Msikize Dickson Rawino.
It's been a week of training. It's been a lot. There's no rest because in the morning and after tea, we are with our coaches, Coach Kibet and Coach Kola. They are really motivating us. They are supporting us. They are not leaving us behind because also us, we are passionate because we want to go and get the medal. From morning, maybe we are going to Karura Forest, fresh air. They are so different. The hurdles training, 100 meters. There are so many. And Coach Kibet is telling us that we should balance. Even in the long run, we should balance, and we should also have more energy. So before, yes, when I was training, I was getting so tired. But right now, I am okay. I'm not getting so tired because that's my nature. The feeling is good, and my goal is to get. It's either position 1, 2, and 3, and I must get a gold because there in Brazil, when we went to Brazil, I was so close to getting the medal. I got only for the long jump, and now I decided that I will work hard, and I've been training there, and even Tokyo, I should be number 1, position 1, 2, and 3, and even 100 meters. Points. I need to add my points so that I'll be better to be position 1, 2, and 3, and so that I can represent Kenya. And you should see how passionate I am, even in future. And I will be. I am also seeing that I will be a coach in future, so that I can motivate even others.
His preparation has been good since we reported to the camp. He's doing very well, and every day he has been improving. We want to believe that by the time we shall be going to Tokyo, he will be ready to compete with the rest of the world athletes. Rawino is a hard-working athlete. He is really very energetic. All the time he's in front, in front of the team, ready to commence his training. And as you know, our decathlete has so many events. Rawino is a very, very hard-working man. He's the first one to wake up in the morning, and he's in front most of the time. He consults the coaches in the different events that he's doing. So we believe in Rawino. Rawino is also a man to watch this time.